And let's do an unboxing time. This is the new steam machine, I think what it's called. My husband got this one for me in exchange with my old PC that he got customized a few years back, and that old PC finally gave out and he got me this one. So let's unbox. This is the Steam controller. We do have this too as well. I have to double check this one. And of course the main belt. Here is first week. Steam controller. Crap. Okay, I just made that worse. Oh, this is a really nice Steam controller, and you got this one as well. I really love the packaging, the way they did it. So it's right here, and so again, it's a really nice packaging. Now going on to the main event, we are going to unbox this big toy right here. So where do you go? Okay. So this as well. Oh. And here is our steam machine. Can you guys imagine how small is this one? If you guys are really into gaming, this one is actually really, hold on, is this it? It's so tiny. Look how tiny it is. I actually can bring this everywhere, especially when I travel. It's just that I'll be needing monitors and keyboards for this one. And look, it's so tiny. It's like a tiny speaker, and this is the fan at the back. Hold on, let me see if we still got more inside. This one is really heavy, so let me just double check. Want to make sure that I did not miss anything. I think pretty much I got everything. So I got the manuals in here, right there. Again, this is a really nice packaging. It is very sturdy. Over here is, of course, we do have the cords. And also the connecting cable from this all the way to the monitor. So the next video that I'm going to show you is the setup of this one to my computer. So let's wait. So I have this two faceplate right here. I was wondering what is this for earlier. I thought it was a coaster or something. So my husband told me is you just have to remove this one right here, and you can actually replace it with these two colors. So this one is like a wood type brown thing, and the other one is it has this velvet texture, and it's kind of, I think, like an orange red or something. So we can put this right here, so you get a new face. There it is, guys. So my husband already set it up. So here's the steam machine and the controller. The controller is actually really nice. It's definitely something I need to get used to. And of course, I do have my external speaker in here. I'm just gonna quickly compare this controller to this one. Again, so this is from the controller from my PlayStation, and this one is, again, I don't have my Xbox in here, but this one is definitely a really nice controller. And again, it's really nice. I really do love it. I got nothing to say that much. And you can actually still use the keyboard if you guys are not comfortable in using this Steam controller. So that should be it today, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. It's getting loud in here, so bye.